Let's go out now to Idaho. We're going to get an update on the Lori Vallow murder trial. Jury selection almost complete, and now we're learning from a judge who the family representatives of the deceased victims will be in court. Joining us now to discuss that even further, Fox 10 Phoenix reporter Justin Lum, who's been on this story from the very beginning. Justin, get us up to speed. What happened today?
Well, Andrew, you know Kay and Larry Woodcock have been advocating for their 7-year-old grandson, JJ Vallow, the youngest victim in this triple murder case since the beginning. Today, Judge Boyce ruled that Kay Woodcock can represent JJ in the courtroom for the entire trial, even if she's testifying as a witness on the stand. Under Idaho law, the judge said that she was not an immediate family member, but her brother, Charles Vallow, and Lori adopted JJ in 2014. Now, some may recognize the name Charles Vallow. He qualifies as the adoptive father, but he was shot and killed by Lori's brother in July of 2019, and she has been indicted in Maricopa County in Arizona for murder conspiracy. Now, since Charles is dead, Kay is next in line to represent, so she's good. But how about her husband, Larry Woodcock? The judge has excluded him since he's on the witness list, but not fully. He can be in the courtroom when testimony isn't going on or if he is done testifying himself. Vallow's defense had argued that because JJ was adopted, the Woodcocks should not be considered legal grandparents and they should be excluded. We spoke to Larry one-on-one today. He is calm and ready for opening statements.
One thing that I've seen Lori is she has yet to shed a single tear in anything we've been involved in. I've never even seen her show emotions in anything we've seen. But I've seen Lori promote herself.
Second victim in this case, that's Tylee Ryan, JJ's big sister. She will be represented by Lori Vallow's sister, and Colby Ryan, who is the oldest of the siblings, he'll be allowed in the courtroom. He's considered a sibling to both JJ and Tylee. We also have 42 jurors ready, 3 backups. Tomorrow we'll get the final 18, 12 jurors and 6 alternates. Andrew?
Okay, Justin, let's just kind of walk back, and unpack this a little further. Is there a stipulation in Idaho state law that sets parameters on who can represent, the decedents, the victims in a trial of this magnitude? I thought anyone could attend a public trial like this.
Well, that's a good question. Under Idaho law, here are the people who qualify as statutory victims and immediate family members. We're talking about a mother, a father, a husband, wife, a brother, sister, son, daughter. You have in-laws, but not grandparents or aunts and uncles. And because these people that I mentioned are going to possibly testify and they're on the witness list, well, having a witness that's going to testify sit in and listen into testimony and see evidence, there could be influence there. So this is a very different case. Obviously, we're from Arizona. This isn't even new to us, and this was a curveball for the family, for the grandparents, as they were waiting on pins and needles all week.
Yeah, and Justin, if you could, walk us through a little bit more of that interview you had there. Is he, anxious? Is he looking forward to the trial getting underway? What are his thoughts going into opening statements on Monday?
Oh, he's ready, and he was very relaxed. Every time we've spoken to Larry, he's usually pretty fired up. He wants justice. He wants to be here for the trial, and it's just been a long 4 years. But he seemed very relaxed. He told me he prayed for an hour last night for this judge's decision to favor him and Kay in this way. And now he just wants to see the evidence, the testimony, and he wants to represent JJ as well. He's going to come face to face with Lori Vallow in this courtroom. And I just got a very calm demeanor from Larry Woodcock today. And we talked for a good lengthy time this afternoon, and we'll have more of that tonight on Fox 10.
Awesome. And Justin, just lastly, you had mentioned yesterday when we were speaking that there were members of the public who are curious, who are following this case very closely, like you and I, traveling to Idaho to witness all of this. Are some of those individuals still there today?
Yeah, and we definitely saw a bigger group today because remember, yesterday we thought we were going to get the 3 jurors that were going to make this pool 42. So people were registering, trying to get a seat today and to get in the courtroom. So we saw a lot more people, not just people from the public, but also the press that were here to hopefully see opening statements. But obviously we knew we needed more jurors, and they are ready for the rest of this thing. They're going to be back here to just watch this unfold.
Justin Lum there live for us in Ada County, Idaho. Justin, we'll talk again. Thanks so much.
Thanks.